They're open or closed?
What time is it? They probably don't open till 11.
Business. I
Yeah,
think
11.
they're open. I think they're open. Let me
Another
check.
8 minutes.
Huh? The door is open. I'll go check. Check mo to ang international store, guys. And they're open. You guys open? It's open. Aray. Are you guys open yet? Not yet.
You can shop.
Oh, okay. I want to check it. Thanks. I want to look for something. I cook, guys. Cook. Hindi, ara. Mahalas ka dako sa kanya. Sorry guys, we're looking for our special tea. Naikalaha guys. Oh. Lemon eh. Sesame oil. Na ay munggos, walay presyo ang munggos. Na ay basmati nga bugas, walay presyo. Sama nito na guys. Noodles. Nita ta sa ito ang Filipino food. Rice pancit. Sushi rice. Wala pa sushi rice guys. Stronger test. Sausage chocolate beans. Ito mga noodles guys. Ito. Napalit ako. Anyway. Kagayaki-yaki. Alin ako po coffee. Let's find some pancit bread. I thought they are coffee, but it's kinder. Okay, so where is the pancit? A few dollars for tea. Oh, my sardinas. $2, man. Can I do that? You'll get $2.
Of course, yeah, they would have done. I don't know.
I'm gonna buy this, guys. Fried onions. I'll get that.
About a sack of rice, but
Can you ask how much are they? Maybe cheaper in my other store. Silver's one. So, mauni guys, Filipino thing. May ginamos. May vinegar. Philippines. Vinegar. Classic sabor. Oh, look at this Kopiko coffee. How much are they? Our coffee, guys. Kopiko. Mahala, oy. Ang sama ni padaot ni, kaya magpalitan ni. Very smoothie fumi Kopiko. $6. Ha? Ang sa sekreto, ano? Ang sama ni Gita. Cappuccino instant. I'm not sure with that, huh? But, wala ako sardinas na palit ko. Wala talaga ng gas. Thailand, $13. Philippine guys.